A few years ago to do one for a company and hasn't stopped going. Just been getting more and more ads for it. So now this is what we do.
More ads for it.
More asks.
Asked.
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going, guys? So we're at my buddy's shop, Gordyville Customs here, and we just finished off really cool barbecue trailer. So I finished my shit off. I finished my stuff off anyways, so I want to take you guys on a look around and see what this cool. It's for a local oil field company here. It's got a $5,000 stereo system in it. Tomorrow, that thing's going in there. In that space right there.
Yeah.
In here, we got a battery disconnect, the stereo system, and a switch panel, battery voltage, charge your phone, all that kind of stuff. This is the hutch. They want receptacles there for crock pots or whatever, keeping food warm. Underneath, they got a pressure washer and a water pump for domestic water for the sink and that kind of stuff. Water tanks right up there. Propane tanks are right there. Hey, say hi, Randy.
We like to build cool shit. Gordyville Customs.
Oh, lost a screw. This is where the propane tanks will sit. Cool beans. So how did you get into this there, Randy?
Got asked a few years ago to do one for a company and hasn't stopped going. Just been getting more and more ads for it. So now this is what we do.
More ads for it.
More asks.
Asked.
Yeah. We keep getting better and better, bigger and bigger.
No, that's awesome. This is cool.
Biggest build to this day for us so far.
Yeah.
Thanks to the customers in the Grand Prairie area for sure.
And ballpark, how much?
Close to 6 figures.
Yeah. Guys like to spend their money out here. This is cool. The whole thing's powder coated. What's the colors there, Randy?
It has 5 coats of powder, dual coat of primer, Asian gold fleck, ruby red, and a clear. And then magenta gray for the accent colors.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Magenta gray.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go take a look at where some of the magic I did was. So on the top here, we got 3 batteries in parallel. Give lots of juice. We got a NOCO battery charger and maintainer. That's plugged into 120. We got a fuse panel for all of our 12-volt stuff. And there's the back of our switches. That's the amp for the kick-ass stereo. Cool. And we got Robin here. What you doing, Robin?
Oh, just doing some painting.
With a toothpick.
With a toothpick.
With it painted with a toothpick.
And a syringe.
Liquid filling etched aluminum. Powder coated first and liquid filling the etching with Endura paint.
Cool. Well, this was a fun project. Thanks again there, Randy. It was a blast, and we're going to do this again. Hopefully next time we'll take you along with the whole process, because this guy's got to start filming his stuff.
Bigger batter. Thanks,
Batter?
Dave.
Like beer batter?
Should do beer batter.
Okay, beer batter. Right on. See you later, Robin.
See ya.
See you later, Dexter.
See you later.
Okay, catch you guys later. Have fun.